Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Ford F-150 XLT. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include trailer tow package, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.